Hello and welcome to this discussion on the three most common approaches to estimating project costs. Project cost estimation is a critical part of project management as it helps project managers and stakeholders determine the financial resources required to complete the project successfully. The three most common approaches to estimating project costs are analogous estimating. This approach is also known as top-down estimating, and it relies on the historical data from similar past projects to estimate the cost of the current project. The idea behind analogous estimating is that the current project's cost will be similar to past projects, especially if they share similar characteristics. This method is best used when there is limited information about the current project or when the project scope is not yet well defined. Bottom-up estimating. In contrast to analogous estimating, bottom-up estimating is a detailed and accurate approach to estimating project costs. This approach involves breaking down the project into smaller and more manageable components and estimating the cost of each component. The cost of each component is then added up to arrive at the project's total cost. Bottom-up estimating is best used when the project scope is well defined, and there is enough information available to estimate each component's cost accurately. Parametric estimating. Parametric estimating uses statistical data to determine the cost of the project based on variables that affect the project's duration and resources. This approach uses regression analysis to develop a mathematical model that predicts the project's cost based on the variables that impact the project. The variables could include the size of the project, the number of resources needed, and the duration of the project. This approach is best used when there is a lot of data available on similar past projects. In conclusion, the three most common approaches to estimating project costs are analogous estimating, bottom-up estimating, and parametric estimating. Project managers and stakeholders can use these approaches to determine the financial resources required to complete the project successfully. It is essential to choose the appropriate approach based on the project's scope, the availability of information, and the level of accuracy required. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this discussion helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more PM tips.